A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Kanyen Kinsey, a white male, 6 years old, 4 feet 7 inches tall, 48 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 7600 block of Buddy Hardy Road in Milton, Florida, who was last seen wearing a fluorescent orange long-sleeve jacket with yellow lettering on the back that says Heritage Place, blue jeans, and Nike shoes. The child may be traveling in a white Chevrolet long bed diesel pickup truck. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office at 850-983-1100 or 911.